Sometimes control doesn't come through words, it comes through your bank account. Today we expose one of the most invisible yet devastating forms of manipulation: financial abuse. It's not about money, it's about power. Mark, I checked our joint account. Why are you transferring money to your private account again?
Laura, I'm just protecting our savings. You've been so stressed lately, I don't want you to worry about bills and numbers.
But I don't have access to my own salary anymore. I feel like I have to ask permission to buy anything.
Don't be dramatic. I handle finances better. I'm just making sure we're safe. You can trust me.
But I want to know where the money is going.
Why can't you just appreciate that I'm taking care of everything? Don't you trust me?
Mark isolates Laura financially while framing it as protection. He removes her access to money, makes her dependent, and shames her for questioning him. Financial abuse is not about numbers. It's about removing the victim's independence and control over their life.
What I feel: financial dependence, guilt for my own needs, loss of confidence, fear of separation due to inability to provide for myself, emotional isolation.
What I do: isolate access to finances, create the illusion of care, gradually turn an adult into a financial hostage, form a psychological trap. You can't cope without me.
Tactics used: financial isolation, guilt induction, infantilization, false protection narrative. Why it works this way? The more dependent you are financially, the harder it becomes to leave, even when you realize you're being controlled. What she did and what she should have done. What Laura did. Trusted his narrative. Allowed access restrictions. Accepted financial isolation out of guilt. What she should have done. Insisted on financial transparency. Kept personal accounts and access. Refused any system where one person controls all finances. Said clearly,
I respect partnership, but I need full access to my own earnings. Financial independence is not selfish. It's your safety net.
control doesn't always come through shouting. Sometimes it's disguised as help. Protect your financial independence. It protects your freedom. Subscribe for more psychology insights. Mind Decoded, Psychology Explained Simply.